Hello Libra Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 10 to Feb 16. Thank you nga po pala sa nagla-like, share, and subscribe po ng ating mga videos. At sa mga hindi po nag-skip ng ads, maraming salamat po sa inyong love and support sa ating channel. So start na po tayo. I-take nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Huwag po kayo mabother sa mga bagay na hindi akma sa inyo and just feel and use your intuition para malaman nyo kung ano yung right messages for you sa ating reading, okay? At the center of your reading, you have the Magician. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Temperance. Wow. In the area of what you need, you have the Ace of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of your recent past, you have the Seven of Cups. In the area of your near future, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Ang ganda. In your challenge this week, Libra, you have the Sun card. Ooh. In the area of your fortune, you have the Knight of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of your advice from the Divine, you have the Emperor card. At the Chariot card. Wow. In the area of your outcome this week, Libra, you have the Death card, a beautiful transformation. So, basahin natin mamaya. And napakaganda na reading mo. Ang daming magandang card of abundance and manifestations. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Nine of Cups, a wish fulfillment. Wow, take a pause muna kayo, Libra, and mag-wish kayo because Nine of Cups is about wish fulfillment. So in my practice, kapag lumalabas ang Nine of Cups, take a moment and wish kung ano yung gusto mong maganap, kung ano yung pangarap mo, kung ano yung hinihintay mo mangyari, i-wish mo now and it will come true. Okay, so let's start. Napakaganda ng iyong mga baraha today, for this week, for Feb 10 to 16. At the heart of your reading, you have the Magician, ability to create and produce and give birth to everything that you wish. Kung anong gusto mong maganap, kung anong gusto mong matupad, magagawa mo. You have the ability to ask for the divine na ma-manifest mo yung mga gusto mo at magagawa yan, matutupad yan. So, kung ikaw ay nag-aaral and you want to have a beautiful grades, yan, matutupad yan now. If you are planning for an application abroad, yan, mag-manifest yan. Or proposing to someone else, or getting married, yan, kung yan ang gusto mong hinihiling mo manifest, yan, matutupad yan. Or finding the love of your life this week, since love week ito. So it will be manifested this week. So congratulations, Libra. So the Magician is being clarified by the Ace of Swords. Dalawang beses ba sa Ace of Swords? All you need to have is clear intentions. Kailangan maging malinaw yung iyong mga gustong i-manifest. Huwag kang half-hearted, huwag paligoy-ligoy. Kailangan specific and kailangan malinaw sa iyo na yun talaga ang gusto mo at yun ang gusto mong makuha. Hindi pwede na pangarap mo lang siya, pero dapat within you really feel that yun talaga ang gusto mong gawin. So set clear intentions, pray and manifest, be specific in your manifestations, and also segundahan mo yan ng clean and clear actions in order for you to manifest what you want. So everything should be coming from you para ma-manifest mo siya. Akit po tayo sa area ng what you want and what you need. Sa iyong subconscious mind, you have the Temperance. You are being guided by Archangel Michael. Unang-una, kung nakita po kayo ng rainbow recently, it is a confirmation that kung ano man yung tinatrabaho mo at binubuo mo, makukuha mo yan at matutupad mo yan. It will be a successful process, a successful outcome for you. Temperance is about transforming one thing into the other. At sa proseso na yan, kailangan mo ng patience. Kaya this is a patience card. So, ikaw, I'm seeing somehow nawawalan ka ng pasensya. Gusto mo magmadali, gusto mo makuha na agad o makita na agad yung result. I'm seeing you double time mo at hindi mo masyado na-enjoy yung proseso. I want you to know that Temperance card is also a card of manifestations. Kasi yung nasa isip niya, lumalabas doon sa bundok and doon nagsashine. Meaning, kung ano yung dinasal niya sa heaven, nag-manifest at lumabas sa reality niya. So, kung ano man daw yung nasa isip mo, try to manifest it, and wag mong madaliin, wag kang mainip, because sometimes frustrations and forcing things ang nag-block ng manifestation. So be patient. I know na gusto mo na ito makuha, kung ano man po ito, whether a job application or approval of something or marriage or new love life. Just be patient. It will come at God's perfect timing. Okay, the temperance card is being clarified by the Six of Wands. You want victory. You want this really to be for you, and gusto mo successful ang resulta ng tinatrabaho mong ito. And I'm seeing that. Yun din sabi ko kanina, parang gusto mo na ito makuha. Gusto mo na makuha yung matamis na resulta ng bagay na ito. But everything takes time, at the proper time, at the proper moment. So you just have to wait for that. And now, habang gumugulong yung process, habang gumugulong yung paraan, at every step na tinatahak mo, just have to enjoy it, yung proseso, so that pagdating mo sa outcome, it will be a beautiful story to tell, kasi pinagdaanan mo siya, and nakuha mo siya ng pinaghirapan mo talaga, ano. In the area of what you need Ace of Swords. Like I've said kanina, kailangan mo daw talaga ng malinaw na pag-iisip in approach to this. You really also need to communicate to people na kailangan mong makausap in order to get what you want. Kailangan mo umaksyon. With this eagle sa gitna ng Ace of Swords, I'm seeing kailangan mo umaksyon. If you really need to take extra leap para lang maabot yung dapat mo abot, do it, because everything is in your hands at nasa sa'yo yung paraan para maabot siya. Pero with that, you really need to ask yourself, ano ba talaga yung gusto ko? Ano yung prosesong gusto kong puntahan? Because hindi ka pwedeng paiba-iba ng gustong gawin kasi lalong tatagal yung pagkuha mo ng prosesong yun o pagkuha mo doon sa outcome na yun. So, umupo ka muna, plan this ahead, ask yourself, ask within, ano ba yung talagang gusto mo, and communicate what you want. Pag hindi mo daw sinasabi yung gusto mo, the answer will always be no, diba? So, ask for it, talk about it, talk to people na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo para ma-reach mo yung gusto mong gawin, and just go with the flow, with the process, okay? So, the Ace of Swords, yun ang kailangan mo, clarity and communication, is being clarified by the Page of Wands. Be enthusiastic, don't be fearful, wag ka daw mag-hesitate, wala kang inhibitions dapat, hindi ka dapat urong-sulong or nagadalawang isip, yun ang kailangan mo daw, sabi ni ng iyong spirit guides sa proseso ng pag-abot mo sa mga manifestations mo. In the recent past, Libra, you have the Seven of Cups. Marami kang gustong gawin. Sa dami ng gusto mong gawin, hindi mo alam kung alin doon ang uunahin at kung ano yung best options. Marami kang gustong puntahan o marami kang gustong tahakin. Ayan po, biglang umuulan. So, a clear manifestation of blessings coming to you this week. Umuulan ng swerte, umuulan ng blessing sa'yo. Hopefully, naririnig nyo pa ako sa gitna ng ulan. So, bear with me. Kaya natin to nagpasan. So, the Seven of Cups, kung ano yung mga nai-imagine mong ways and opportunities and options and plans in acquiring what you want to manifest, make sure na hindi lang siya mananatili sa plans o sa utak mo o sa imaginations mo. Bring those plans and imaginations into reality. So, bear with me with the rain. Bear with me. The Seven of Cups is being clarified by the Seven of Swords. Yes, strategize. 7-7 is luck, swerte. Nasa iyo ang swerte. So, in order for you to get all the things that you want, kailangan mong mag-strategize. Alin dito yung best options for you to go. Also, I'm saying, if you need to do it alone, do it alone. Don't talk about it with other people. Keep it to yourself first, kasi minsan yung opinion ng ibang tao sometimes can derail or can stop or can block a manifestation or a potential opportunity. Kaya minsan huwag mo muna ipagsabi yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Plan on your own and sarilin mo muna. I-rethink mo muna, alin ba sa mga cups na to ang kailangan kong gawin? Alin ba sa mga cups na to ang may potential para sa akin? So, i-prioritize mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo muna bago mo i-manifest, bago mo hilingin. So, everything should be clear in your mind of what you really want to do in life. Ang good news ito, Libra, in the near future, you have the 10 of Pentacles. Swerte, kapirahan, umuulan, like nangyayari sa labas ng bahay ko ngayon. Umuulan ng swerte for you. Everything that you manifested will come to you. Swerte, new negosyo, aangat ka sa trabaho mo, o new position, bagong pagkakakitaan o bagong incomes para sa pamilya mo na pangmatagalan, hindi lang parang ngayong buwan o ngayong taon. Mapapaaral mo na for many years ang mga pamangkin mo, mga anak mo. Mabibigyan mo na ng pera yung sustento ang iyong parents. Halimbawa, if you're a breadwinner yan, unti-unti mo nang oh my God, lumalakas yung ulan. Unti-unti mo na mabibigyan yung family mo ng pagkakakitaan o mababayaran mo na ng bills on time. So, this is really a prosperous and very lucky card for you, Libra. Ten of Pentacles, congratulations. In the near future, kaya abangan mo yung mga paparating na swerte for you. Ten of Pentacles is being clarified by a Two of Swords. Kailangan daw maging open ka into the things na papalapit sa'yo. Don't be close enough. So sometimes you really have to choose whether doing this or doing that. In order to do that, kailangan magaling ka kumilatis. Look within you, have that intuition within you para madali kang makapamili ng mga bagay na gusto mong gawin so that mapanatili mo tong Ten of Pentacles at hindi mawala sa'yo. Always choose the things na pinagnilayan mo and don't decide on things na mabilis. Upuan mo ito, matagal mong pag-isipan bago ka mag-desisyon because ayaw mo na biglang mawala o mawala sa iyo to mga pentacles na to o swerte na to o opportunities na to. So, think hard, huwag ka magmadali and i-process mo muna yung mga informations and also yung mga options before you decide to this or that, okay? Bear with me, umuulan talaga na malakas. In the area of your challenge this week, Libra, is the Sun. Actually, this is not a challenge for you since the Sun is the happiest card here in the whole tarot, in the whole arcana, major and minor. The Sun is all about happiness. But I guess the challenge for you this week is indulging too much in happiness. Masyado ka nang lumalabas ng bahay, masyado ka nang gumigimik, masyado ka nang enjoy. You're not focusing on the matters at the hand. Hindi ka masyadong nagsiseryoso. O masyado mong dinadaanan lang yung mga bagay, hindi mo dinitignan yung bawat detalye sa mga dapat mong gawin. So, make sure na kahit nag-enjoy ka, you're also working hard. You're also looking at things seriously and meticulously. Hindi puro saya lang, You really have to put effort and sweat and energy on the things that matters. Yung pagkasaya, pwede mong gawin yan anytime after work or after accomplishing things or doing the things na mako-complete mo every day or every week, diba? So, focus on your work, enjoy, have fun, but may ilugar yan. Kailangan mo ilugar yan so that things will be accomplished to you at the right time at the right moment, okay? The Sun is being clarified by the Four of Swords. Yeah. Masyado kang complacent. That is the challenge for you. Masyado kang kampante, masyado kang nag-enjoy, masyado kang alam mo yun, yung parang what is the right word I'm looking for? Yung parang kang happy-go-lucky. Yan. Masyado kang nag-enjoy masyado. So, if you really want things to go in your favor, you really need to put effort in the things na gusto mong ma-accomplish, okay? Tama ni pagiging complacent and pahila-hilata and having fun and gimmick. Work. You have to work hard and put more effort, okay? In the area of your fortune, which is a good card, Knight of Swords, meaning lahat ng darating sa'yo mabilisan. Kung ano man yung gawin mo, darating sa'yo na mabilis. Magka-charge ka forward. Walang hinto, walang delay. Everything you want, ang swerte mo ay mabilis na darating sa'yo. Okay, so the Knight of Swords is being clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, may biglang darating sa yung swerte and you will achieve it and you will nurture it. Mapangahawakan mo tong swerte na darating sa iyo, whether a new job offer or a promotion o halimbawa may bagong negosyo o kaya may mag-alok sa iyo ng trabaho o sideline. I'm seeing someone graduating or getting a new opportunity. Basta may parating sa iyo magandang opportunity na pagkakaperahan mo. Darating sa iyo ito na mabilisan and you really have to stand. Kailangan mo tumayo, huwag ka nang humilata at huwag ka na masyadong pag-gimmick o mag-enjoy. Tama na muna yung Netflix o panonood ng mga pelikula o gimmick. May parating sa iyo yung bagong swerte na kailangan mong hawakan at in-nurture at palaguin. Darating siya na mabilis. So, it's really a big blessing coming to you and kailangan mo mag-focus doon sa bagay na yun. So, congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Emperor and the Chariot. Have the power to move. Actionan mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin and you have everything that you need. You have the power, you have the ability, you have the authority within you. Meron kang skills na sapat para mag-move forward ka sa mga bagay na gusto mo. Okay? Nothing will stop you. The chariot won't stop because you are the emperor. You have the authority and you have the leader quality para mag-move forward ka, okay? The emperor is being clarified by the Ace of Cups. Yes. You put your heart on everything that you do para magtuloy-tuloy siya, para hindi huminto. In every aspect and in any endeavor na balak mong simulan at gawin, be the leader of your life. Charge forward with all of your heart, with pure intentions, at makukuha mo yung gusto mong makuha. The chariot, moving forward, is being clarified, is the Hierophant. If you need advice, if you need, I'm hearing spiritual advice. Pray more in this journey moving forward. I'm hearing, if you need advices or mentorship from someone, asks advices or payo from these people na mas makakatulong sa'yo moving forward. Yes, you are the leader of your life. Yes, you have the skills and abilities, but sometimes along the way, there will be roadblocks. There will be problems na kailangan mo i-solve. In order for you to not stop sa journey, ask for people na maalam o masters doon sa certain industry or certain topic na kailangan mo makuha. So, if you really need guides, ask for it and don't be shy asking for, guidance from other people kasi mas makakatulong yan sa'yo to move forward. So, in your outcome, Libra, you have the Death card, a beautiful transformation, pero pag-usapan natin yan mamaya. Maghanap muna tayo ng mga additional messages from the Divine. First, we have number 1, a brand new start. Tulad ng Death card, number 1 is a brand new start, a new opportunity. You are divinely protected and you're on the right path. So, pasok siya sa iyong Death card, transformation card. Number 1, kung birthday niyo po yan or a number of significance to you, this is a confirmation that this reading is really for you. Kung nakita naman po kayo na langgam anywhere, whether pictures sa personal o sa internet o napag-usapan ninyo, Ant Spirit is a confirmation that this message is for you. Time to collaborate. Yes, like with the Hierophant, like I've said, if you need help, if you need someone to talk to or get advice or help you with everything that you want to do moving forward, you should need it with the Hierophant, okay? Another message, don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. Like I've said, marami kang gustong gawin. Your manifested things. So, kailangan mo talaga ng clarity. Clarity and communications. If you're too much, kung meron ka masyadong ego and pride within you, mahirapan ka makapag-communicate with other people. Kaya dalawang beses lumabas ito yung Ace of Swords eh. Kailangan mo ng clarity within you that you need help. That everything is not, hindi lahat ng bagay na meron ka alam mo na lahat. So, i-let go, wag mo mong itaas ang iyong pride and your ego so that you can achieve things and let people come in your circle and help you, okay? The next message, voyage of the heart, love flows through you and to you. Like I've said, do everything ng buong puso with your clear intentions so that you can achieve the things that you want. So, with your whole heart, sa every endeavor na tatahakin mo, you will do no wrong and magdadire-diretso yung swerte sa'yo at saka yung pagpasok ng goal na gusto mong makuha. So your outcome this week, Libra, you have the Death card. Hindi to kailangan pangilagan o kailangan katakutan o kailangan nating manginigan, because Death card is a transformation. Para kang butterfly transforming into this new identity or new life. So your outcome this week, after charging this new opportunity within you and having this leadership mindset with all your heart, pushing through with the guidance of the mentors na mga taong kasama mo, you will be a changed person. Lahat ng manifestations na gusto mo makukuha mo kung ano man ito, tinatrabaho mo na ito. You will be rich soon. Yayaman ka with this. I'm seeing that. With the patience and victory and also having clear mindset and the communications to other people, hindi ka panghinaan ng loob. Darating sa'yo yung bagong opportunity. I'm seeing a portal and you will go through it and you're done. biglang babago ang buhay mo. Darating siya na mabilis sa'yo. Kaya huwag ka na masyadong complacent. Don't pahila-hilata. Huwag ka siya na masyadong mag-gimmick too much. Huwag masyadong masayang-masaya. No? Yung parang hindi ka na nagtatrabaho, hindi ka na nag-effort. Ito yung kailangan mo lagpas ang challenge para umabot ka sa death card. Para umabot ka sa transformation card. Okay? Work, sweat, and be serious sa mga dapat mong atupagin, sa mga gusto mong i-manifest, and transformation for the better ay darating sa'yo swiftly. So the death card is being clarified by the moon. So this is about yung mga hidden things sa'yo in the past. Now may intindihan mo na, makikita mo na yung mga sagot, yung mga bagay na may inhibitions ka, meron kang hindi naiintindihan sa sarili mo o sa life mo, magkakaroon niya ng clarity once naayos mo yung life mo, once naayos mo yung past mo in achieving the things that you want, magkakaroon ka ng clarity, magkakaroon ka ng mga sagot sa mga bagay na dati hindi mo maintindihan. Bakit? Gawa naman ako ng gawa, bakit hindi ko nakukuha yung ganito, bakit hindi nagbabago buhay ko, bakit hindi ko nakukuha yung mga nakukuha ng ibang tao, bakit gano'n, bakit. So yung mga bakit mo masasagot yan when you transformed, okay? When you trust yourself more, when you put yourself into this realization na kailangan mo magtiwala sa journey mo, with relying on yourself, relying on your ability, with the leadership ability, with the emperor ability, with your whole heart, and just move forward. Ibaba mo yung ego mo, like sabi, ibaba mo yung pride mo para makahingi ka ng mga tulong sa ibang tao nagagabay sa'yo to achieve your goals. Mawawala na yung mga bakit mo, mawawala na yung mga doubts mo, because you are a changed person. After this, a changed person ka na, Libra. So in order for you to have this wish fulfillment and manifestations, change your ways, break down your ego, huwag ka masyadong complacent, and you will win in life. You will get the things that you want. Okay, Libra, that is your weekly reading for Feb 10 to 16. Isang maulan na reading for you. Hopefully, naririnig nyo pa ako ng matino. So, thank you again for watching. Kung naka-resonate po kayo dito, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again for not skipping the ads. See you again next time for your weekly reading. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.